Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal edit on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this video here because he's walking from the right to left. You can also do it the other way around by just selecting this and mirroring it like that. But just copy and paste your video here, go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second video. Go to text and add in your default text underneath, and I'm just going to type in the word example. And I'm also going to change the font here. Like that maybe. Just to the whole video. Okay, so he starts walking from here, so I'm just going to delete that. Go to the text, right click, create compound clip, go to video, select mask and select horizontal, and you're going to rotate that. I'm also going to feather it out a little bit. I'm going to then add a keyframe here, and I'm just going to then reveal the text when he's right here by pressing on the line and just revealing the text. And that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!